10 years later, the natural hair movement continues. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. In 2025, when I took a break from posting natural hair content on my YouTube, I thought the traffic would stop. I thought everyone knew what they needed to know about natural hair, and I was wrong. My natural hair videos to this day still get new views, so that debunks the myth that the natural hair movement is over. Let's talk about why going natural and knowing how to take care of your hair are still relevant skills in 2026. First, despite their popularity, protective styles do not mean healthy hair. From tight buns to wigs, from braids to tape-ins, there's still a desire to improve hair health by going natural. Putting your hair away does not mean caring for it, and by going natural, people are learning to do both. Therefore, going natural is always a relevant skill. Second, a natural hair journey is a journey in itself and not a straight path. Relationships take patience, consistency, accountability, and care. The skill of learning your natural hair is a path of self-discovery that does not unfold right away. It happens in layers, and it is a fundamental part of self-growth and better understanding. And third, there's always room for improvement. Repetition is key. As new hair goals and hair setbacks surface, it is known that hair thrives in its natural state. Therefore, it is common to switch to natural hairstyles when your hair needs a reset. Therefore, the skills of caring for your natural hair is still a relevant skill set. In the next video, we'll talk about why you can't fail your natural hair journey. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on your notifications and hit the join button in the description box to become a member. Bye!